Welcome back to Brecker Boards. Today we have another custom board, one of the biggest boards we've made. This is 12 by 17. So we have some maple and cherry in here. We've already squared one end. Let's get to the other, and I'll give you a quick little throwback to the planning and gluing process of this board. Alright, we're back. Let's get right to squaring this board off and seeing this. And I'll tell you what, this thing is heavy. Thanks for watching this quick video. We'll see you on the next one.